Welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering one of the most asked questions by women. What makes a man choose her over everyone else? Why does he sleep with many but ultimately commit to just one? The answer isn't what most people think. It's not just about beauty, sex, or even love in the beginning. Psychology reveals there are specific emotional and psychological triggers that make a man decide she's the one he wants to build a future with. Men can want sex with attractive women, but when it comes to deep commitment, something much deeper happens in their psychology. Here's what truly makes him choose her. First, she makes him feel deeply respected and admired. Men have a powerful need to feel respected in a relationship. When a woman genuinely admires his efforts, his strength, his decisions, and how he shows up in the world, it touches his core. It's not fake compliments. It's specific appreciation like, "I love how you handled that situation," or "I feel safe with you." This respect makes him feel like a king, and men rarely leave women who make them feel this way. Second, she becomes his emotional safe place. In a world where men are expected to be strong all the time, the woman who allows him to be vulnerable without judging him wins his heart completely. She listens when he shares his fears, failures, or doubts. She doesn't try to fix him immediately or make him feel weak. This emotional safety is incredibly rare, and when a man finds it, he becomes deeply attached because he finally has a place where he doesn't have to wear the mask. Third, she brings peace instead of chaos. Men want sex and excitement, but for long-term commitment, they choose the woman who brings calm to their life. She doesn't create unnecessary drama, doesn't weaponize emotions, and doesn't turn small issues into big fights. She communicates with maturity. This peace becomes addictive to him. After stressful days, coming home to her feels like coming home to refuge. Fourth, she makes him feel needed and like a hero. Modern men still carry the ancient instinct to protect and provide. When a woman lets him help her, supports his purpose, and shows that his presence genuinely makes her life better, something powerful activates in him. He doesn't just want her, he feels responsible for her happiness. This hero instinct is one of the strongest psychological drivers for male commitment. Fifth, she has quiet confidence and emotional maturity. The woman who chooses herself, has her own life, dreams, and standards, becomes incredibly attractive for commitment. She's not needy or desperate. She's secure in herself. This combination of feminine softness with inner strength creates powerful attraction. Men respect women who have self-worth and don't settle for less. Sixth, there's strong sexual chemistry mixed with emotional connection. Yes, physical attraction matters, but the woman who combines great intimacy with deep emotional bonding becomes unforgettable. She understands his desires and makes him feel desired while also connecting on a soul level. And finally, she shares his vision for the future. Men commit when they see a woman who aligns with their long-term goals, values, and lifestyle. She doesn't try to change him completely, but grows with him. This shared direction makes him excited to build a life together. Here's the honest truth. Most dating advice ignores men want sex with many women, but they commit to the one who makes them feel respected, safe, peaceful, needed, and inspired to be better. When these things align, he doesn't just fall in love, he decides to build his future with her. If you're a woman watching this, ask yourself, am I creating these feelings in the man I want? Small changes in how you communicate respect, create safety, and bring peace can dramatically shift how he sees you. The women who master these psychological triggers are the ones men choose over everyone else. It's not about being perfect. It's about understanding male psychology and showing up as the woman who touches his heart and soul. So tell me in the comments, which of these points resonated with you the most? Ladies, have you seen these things create stronger commitment in your relationship? Gentlemen, what makes you choose one woman over others? Share your honest experiences. I read every comment. If you enjoyed this psychology video on love and relationships, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss new videos that actually help your love life. Thanks for watching until the end. Remember, real commitment comes from deep emotional connection, not just physical attraction. Become the woman who touches his heart, and he will choose you every single time. See you in the next video.